So this is a quick tutorial on how to use some of the Mimio products. So we talked yesterday a little bit about wanting to be able to capture the screen that and record the screen that you were writing on, which you can in fact do. So over here, if I select this, so over here in this left-hand corner on the toolbar, this bottom screen annotation, if you click on that, you can write anywhere on your screen, including your desktop. So if I were to undo that and hit this button right here, which is like your main mouse selection, so you're treating your stylus as if it was your mouse on your computer, you can select, let's say, the internet, and I can open up the internet, and I can open up a certain website. So I'm going to open just the Jewel website.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty neat. So if I wanted to open this website, I could go back to the screen annotation shot right here in this left-hand sidebar, and I capture the screen. And while I am capturing the screen, if you go to this piece right here, this toolbar, there is the recorder, which is, let me open that back up, the recorder, which is right there. If you select that recorder, which I'll do that for you right now, if I select that recorder, that will pull up, not a quick vote. If I pull up the recorder, it pulls up a little recording box in the top right-hand corner. So if I selected that, it would be, I would hit the record button, it will come up right in the middle here. It'll have a little box, and it'll have a little box that pops up, and it'll say, do you wish to capture this desktop? You just click it with your stylus, and then you can record everything that you're recording, like I am right now. And I can go through, I can highlight pieces, so click on the J for emergency closures and updates. I can select my pencil device, and I can write this is the Blue Jay. And I can continue talking and recording, and I can switch back and forth from being able to draw on my screen to being able to use my stylus as my mouse. So I could go back and actually select these. I could input a new web address. So if I go up here to the keyboard, show my keyboard, I could type in a new address. So let's say I wanted to go to Parkseed. Parkseed.com is fine. And I can close my keyboard. And then I can go through it as if it were my computer, and I can use my stylus to scroll through and select different plants. Again, if I want to be able to draw on my screen, I click the screen annotation on this toolbar. It captures a screenshot, and then I can write on it again. So I can use my pen tool and say, here are some sweet rainbow peppers, and you can go through and record the whole thing. When you're done recording your video, you go back to the toolbar right here. You click on the recorder again, and it will say video paused, and then you can